This video is brought to you by Sears Electronics. So many of the DVD rewritable laser diode packages that you'll find in DVD drives are flat diode package types, like this one here. And one of the easiest methods that I've come up with for mounting these laser diode packages is directly to a heatsink. So here I've soldered the negative pin of the laser diode package directly to this aluminum heatsink here, which I've sanded down and polished for best contact. So all I have to do to complete the circuit is connect an alligator clip here as the negative heatsink. And then here's the positive output wire going to the positive lead of the laser diode. And the reason for the negative heatsink connection is due to the fact that the heatsink will rise in temperature faster than the laser diode will. And that will keep everything relatively more efficient, and the laser diode should remain cool during operation. So as for mounting the laser diode package, I have it mounted on silicone thermal pad. And then I have epoxied resin surrounding the laser diode package to keep it secure and held in place. I've also mounted a focusing lens that I got from the same DVD drive, and it's a coated focusing lens. And that will focus the output to a short-range focal point, and that gives short-range burning effects. And we'll get to that in a few minutes. And I've also applied a layer of vinyl tape across the aperture to protect the laser diode aperture and to prevent light from escaping from the back end of the package. And here's a class 3B warning sticker. So here I fired up the laser diode using my stationary setup. And here's that beautiful red 660 nanometer wavelength. And here's the voltage being read across the laser diode. So we're looking at approximately somewhere between 180 to 190 milliwatt output power. Burning PVC plumber's tape. And here we can take a temperature reading of the surface temperature of the heatsink, which has now reached 27 degrees. And the laser diode should be relatively balanced with the heatsink. So the laser diode sits at 27 degrees. So it is definitely balanced in terms of the temperature ratio here. So yeah, that is one of the methods you can use for mounting your flat diode packages. Have fun and stay safe.